Thank you for purchasing our Romek Fingerprint Smart Lock. This video is going to show you how to store your fingerprint and how to unlock it. At the end of the video, we are also going to show you how to delete all the fingerprints that's stored inside the lock. Before any fingerprint is stored, the lock can be opened with any fingerprint. Let's move on to storing our first fingerprint. It's actually very simple to do. I'll be using my right thumb, and I just need to keep it on this reader for a couple seconds until the blue light comes on. So, nope, that's the blue light. And once you take your finger off, the light should turn into blinking green. This is the time to collect your fingerprint. Now, we recommend moving your finger ever so slightly between each collection so the lock can capture your fingerprint at different angles. Now, when you hear that loud beep, that means the fingerprint was collected successfully. The second and subsequent fingerprints are recorded the same way, but it just needs the admin approval, the first fingerprint. Now, I'll be using my left thumb here as my second fingerprint. So I just need to keep my left thumb on the reader, just as we did before. Now see the blue light comes on. Now it's requiring our first fingerprint's approval. Now that it turns into blinking green, it's time to collect the fingerprint. And just as we have done before, move your finger ever so slightly so that the lock can capture your fingerprint at different angles. Again, we heard a loud beep. That means the collection was successful. Now let's see. So now I have my right thumb as my first fingerprint and my left thumb as my second fingerprint. However, with my other fingers, I cannot open the lock. Now let's move on to deleting the fingerprints. So just like we have done before, putting our fingers on the reader, let's open it first. Now let's keep our finger on the reader and just keep our finger there until the red light comes on. Yep. I think there's the red light, and then just press it again. And now there you go, all the fingerprints have been deleted. Now when all the fingerprints have been deleted, I can open the lock with any fingers. If you are still unsure on how to set up your lock, you may contact us in the method provided, or you may simply refer to the user manual provided in the box. Thank you for watching.